At the end of a sewing program, they have skills to make an income. How do we get that story from Kenya over to the people that are the ones that are going to help us to support these girls?
Would you like to go see the sewing project?
That was kind of our language, was designing. The moment that I opened up my sketchbook and showed them some of the ideas I had working on, they just lit up.
The day I met those girls was really the day I met myself. I needed to do something. I did not want to go back home and forget these girls.
Prisca, Nancy, and Carol, they each have such a strong presence about them. I never thought I would be in the position to miniaturize some of my designs.
How something simple like Ragdoll suddenly takes on such a bigger meaning. It completely changes their status.
The girl is going places. She's got her mind made up. She knows what she's doing and no one's getting in her way.